Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw the flag of Egypt. Let's do the outline first. I already put a rectangle here and we're putting the red color on top. You can see the black color in the bottom part. All right. And the bird you can see here. Okay. We're going to draw the bird with the dark yellow pencils. That's the drawing you can see here. The outline is amazing. Now let's fill up the top color with the red color. Okay, and the color in the bottom is going to be the black color. Mhm. So the black is going to be the dark black. All right. This is the flag of Egypt. The drawing is almost complete. I hope you like the videos. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on for more updates. You can also browse our playlist and you have lots of categories. Flag is only one of those categories. We have lots of drawings and lots of choices here. Alright, please stay with Blue Hand Drawing channel and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.